Do we have whipping cream? I've decided I'm gonna scrapbook this afternoon because that's gonna be like my new little hobby this year. Because I've done like journal collages from Pinterest, but I actually want to do scrapbooks from like my life. Also, low-key my hair ringleted really well today. But fit, belt that I thrifted, black jeans from Garage that I hemmed because I'm short, and then a Aritzia hoodie. I low-key don't know if I could like crop it, but like it's winter, it's cute, whatever. Jewelry, necklace from my dad, bracelet from my boyfriend, ring from my best friend, and ring from my boyfriend. And then earrings. I have no idea where I got them. New perfume, Burberry Goddess. Freaking love her. Purse, mint, shoes, and let's go. So I decided I'm gonna polar swim in January. This is actually my third time doing it this year, and I love it. It actually heals me. Ignore it if I look kind of red. I had my heat going, so when I get back in my car, it's really warm, but it just makes my face look red. It's actually a sunny day for once, and it's not too windy, and it looks really pretty, and I'm excited. Let's do this. I just put this zip up on because I don't care about it. It's just like my car sweater, so that when I get out, I can put something on and I don't really care if it gets wet, but I don't want to do that to my Aritzia hoodie. So I also don't have a towel, I just have this pink blanket, so yeah. Yeah, it was cold, but it feels really good. And now I'm happy. Hello vlog, I'm voicing over because I can't talk and bake when my family's in the kitchen. But we're making carrot cake. So we're adding salt, then baking soda, and then baking powder. Okay girl. Some cinnamon, obviously. And some ginger, I think. This is butter and eggs, and now brown and white sugar. Oh, there's the eggs. I did try and crack it with my wrist, did not work, so not doing that. Yeah, mix that hoe. Okay. She's still mixing. And then I have to grate these carrots. Let me tell you, this was a task and a half. It took me forever, and my arm was extremely sore after. Now we're adding everything together, the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Mix it up. Mix it up. I just got a recipe off Google, so that's what you can do if you want to make this. Potentially might link it below. But anyway, we're folding in our carrots now. Looks delish. And now we're adding it to the cake pans that I like buttered and floured so that the dough wouldn't stick. There we go. And we're putting them in the oven. And I did not film myself testing it, but we made cream cheese icing and they turned out phenomenal. It's officially coffee and bedtime, and that is the best time of the day. I am stoked. Like, I am over the moon right now. I love this time of day. We journal, we do a Sudoku, and we read. I'm currently reading Dracula, and it's really good. So, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Welcome to Let's Make Breakfast with Edith. Last night I made bagels, homemade bagels. I'm feeling pretty proud of myself actually. They turned out kind of amazing. I had half one last night. I shared it with my sister, and fresh out of the oven, literally to die for. But I'm gonna make a breakfast bagel today. We've got some bacon, cheese, it's Havarti, red onion, and then eggs. Okay, it is now assembly time. I have my bacon and my eggs, and I just put some cheese on top that Loki melts it. I have my bagel, which I toasted for a little bit and then put some mayonnaise on it. Transferring my egg over. And then bacon. For a little extra flavor. There we go. These look kind of freaking amazing. Like, hello. I have a fruit salad. I bought this bowl last week and it's so cute, and I made a little fruit salad. I have some pears, mango, kiwi, and frozen blueberries, and then I made a matcha latte and I put some whipped cream on top. And my sister made like these ice cubes with blueberries in them, so I put those in there too. And it's so cute.